How to find a lost phone or locate a family member safely. Hello everyone. Have you ever lost your phone or needed to confirm a loved one's location, always with their permission? Today, I'll share how you can track a phone safely and responsibly using simple steps that respect privacy and the law. Important disclaimer: this video is strictly for educational purposes. You should only locate devices that you own or have explicit permission to track. Unauthorized tracking is illegal and unethical. Steps to locate a phone. Finding a phone can be simple if you follow the right steps. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for a trusted phone tracking service. There are many safe and reliable tools available online. Click on the option to Start Tracking or Locate Phone. Enter the phone number of the device you want to locate. Confirm your details and ensure you have permission from the device owner. Verification process. To ensure responsible use, most services include a verification step. You might need to download an app or complete a brief task to confirm your request. Once completed, the tool will display the phone's current location on a map. Alternative methods. You can also use built-in features like Find My iPhone for iOS devices, Find My Device for Android. These tools are free, secure, and specifically designed for situations like lost or misplaced phones. When is it appropriate to use tracking tools? When you've lost your own device. When you need to locate a family member's phone, but only with their explicit permission. During emergencies, such as helping someone in distress. Privacy and security tips. Never attempt to track someone without their consent. It's against the law. Avoid using shady or unverified tools. Stick to reputable services. Keep your phone secured with passwords and enable two-factor authentication for added safety. Phone tracking tools can be incredibly helpful for responsible users. Always remember that respect for privacy and adherence to the law are key when using these services. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and tutorials. Have questions? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and tech smart.